Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I got an unboxing for you today of the iPsy Glam Bag for the month of August, as well as a giveaway. We are going to be giving away one of the options in here. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear palette. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways going on. I've got a huge one right now. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure you do. It's in honor of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. There is over a $400 value in there, so that link will be in the description box below. Giveaways are really simple. Must be a subscriber, watch the video in its entirety. So for this giveaway today, somewhere in the video, there will be a secret word. You're gonna need that when you fill out your entry form. I'll let you know a little bit later on what you need to do for that. So iPsy, you always get in the Glam Bag. It's $12 a month. There's 5 beauty samples, some size times deluxe samples, sometimes full size in there. And it's supposed to be valued at over $50 for your $12 a month. They're sample sizes. So let's find out what I got for the month of August and which one of these is going to be in the giveaway. So there's this cute metallic bag. Inside is kind of this lilac color with the iPsy symbol here. It does have iPsy on the zipper tag as well. I wish that they would go back to putting on their cards all the information on products that you got, but they don't, so I'm going to be looking them up kind of as we go for you. So that you can add on items when you get one choice item, and when you do that, you can also pick to add on other samples for $3 or full size products for more. I did pick up the Sunday Riley Ceramide Moisturizing Cream for $3. Love this stuff, and it's perfect for when you travel. Who's doing any traveling right now, but I'm hoping to go and see my son race a couple cross-country meets this fall. From MOTD Cosmetics is a Pigment Packer Small Blending Brush. It's a super versatile makeup brush, multitask almost as well as you do. Use it with your favorite eyeshadows to pack on pigments, build up color, or blend everything out. The pro quality vegan bristles are perfectly shaped, allowing you to seamlessly apply shadow to your eyelids with ease. Whether you use cream or powder or liquid shadow, this brush has got you covered. It's designed to work with any texture and formula. It's kind of this flat kind of packer brush. Cute. Oh, speaking of eyeshadow, I've been wanting to tell you guys what I'm wearing on my eyes. Today is from the Pure Festival palette. I have my version, and I have another one that I'm giving away as far as in our September eyeshadow giveaway. Anyway, it's mainly these shades here, minus the purple and some of the browns. TonyMoly always has the cutest packaging. This is their Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum. I have an algae plant, you guys, that it is out of control. I've never seen an algae plant inside grow like huge, and it even bloomed, and I don't know what's going on with it. You'd think it was on steroids or something. Anyway, I'll see if I can take a picture of it and insert it here for you. 'Tis the season to swap out your heavy eye cream for this cute little cooling eye serum from one of our favorite K-beauty brands. It has a gel-like texture that instantly depuffs bags, leaving your eye area looking wide awake and refreshed. Soothing sea water and plantain extracts work together to soothe inflammation and deeply moisturize for healthier, happier skin. Superstar humectant hyaluronic acid draws moisture to the skin to immediately plump the look of fine lines and crepiness. I know I can sometimes have crepiness going on. Don't worry, the non-tacky finish won't feel sticky on your skin or make your concealer or eye makeup turn to patchy during the day. Cute. Always on the lookout for good eye balm. Ooh, from Ofra. I think this is a full size, just different packaging. This is the blush in Bellini. That thing says summer like a fresh peachy flush. And this neutral peach blush formula delivers just the gorgeous peachy pink color. The baked formula goes on super smooth, never looks cakey, and lasts all day. The versatile shade works for all skin tones, plus it's easy to use and build from a suitable to bold. Let's put a little bit more on. Oh, it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna put some here on the back of the hand so you can see it. So I build it up way more than I would normally wear, but there's what it looks like. So my pick is from It Cosmetics. It is a confidence in your beauty sleep night cream. If you remember from when I did my Ulta haul, this in my dream basket. Well, you know, if I had $1,000 to spend at the store, what would I spend it on? This was in there. So when I saw this as a choice item, I was like, I have to try this out. So it says, when you are powering down the night, your skin cells are busy powering up to renew and regenerate your skin. This night cream gives those cells the support they need to get the job done. Cell turnover, part of your skin's natural process, peaks at night, and this moisturizer contains gentle exfoliant ingredients to kickstart that critical stage. Skin needs moisture to look its best, which is why this formula uses hyaluronic acid and ceramides that work together to draw moisture to your skin and lock it for prolonged hydration. Between the relaxing lavender scent, ooh, yes please, and the rich bouncy texture, you'll generally look forward to sleep in your nighttime skincare routine. I cannot wait. I'm super, super excited for this. Secret word alert, bloom. And lastly, from IBY Beauty is eyeshadow in the shade Bloom. Oh, why you will love it. This good for you skin eyeshadow and the perfect way to show your lid some love. The velvety formula is infused with rose hip seed oil to help nourish and protect the delicate skin on your lids. It won't crease on your eye, so your eye will look and stay beautiful all day long. This shadow is vegan and free of potentially harmful ingredients like talc, mineral oil, and parabens. Bloom is a shimmery peach shade that becomes a staple in our makeup kits for romantic eye looks or updating our smoky eye. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Ooh, look how pretty this peach shade is, you guys. Gorgeous. So I'm not gonna swatch it. I don't do a ton of single eyeshadows, so I'm happy to give this to one of you guys. So that's what we're gonna be doing in the giveaway. As far as the bag itself, it was pretty good. That blush, I really had to build up, so I'm not quite sure on, but I am stoked, beyond stoked for the It Cosmetics. I cannot wait to get in this one. So what you need to do to win this bad boy. I love doing giveaways. I love being a little ray of sunshine, being a light for some of you guys in this crazy world we've got going on. We got viruses, we got hurricanes, we got all those sorts of stuff going on. Let's spread a little positivity to one another. And that's just what I'm trying to do. So my giveaways are really easy, you guys. Like this video. If you can leave a comment, let me know what your favorite thing in the bag was. It just helps out the algorithm to help kind of promote my videos more, because I'm really trying hard to grow this channel here. Anyway, you can like, and you must be subscribed in order to win. I do check. I will put a Google link in the description box down below. Make sure to click on it, fill it completely out. Make sure to put the secret word on there, and then also put on there your YouTube name. That way I can check to make sure that yes, this person is subscribed. I do a random number generator, and that picks the winner the day after the giveaway closes. Please only fill out the form once, that way it is fair to everyone. So this giveaway will go through September 22nd. On September 23rd, I will either Instagram the person back, email them, however way they put on the form that they would like to be notified that they did win. I will also go back to this video and pin in the comment section the person's first name and first initial of their last name. There are 2 extra bonus entries that you can do to have a better shot at winning the giveaway. If you follow me over on Instagram, that will give you an extra bonus entry, as well as if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, any customs, anything like that for it to get to you. If it's lost in transit or damaged or anything like that, I try to package everything up pretty nicely. I mean, for the people who've won my giveaways in the past, they can attest to that. There has been some comments going around that I've noticed in the comment section of asking if I really do giveaways. If I am trying to scam people into watching my videos. It's not the type of person I am. Straight up, I'm honest with you guys. Everything is on board. And if you have won a giveaway, if you can just leave a comment and say, hey, you know, she's the real deal, that would be greatly appreciated. If you do put that secret word in the comment section, that'll immediately delete your comment and it will disqualify you from the giveaway. So don't put the secret word in the comments down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. It's just a way for me to get back to you because I love you guys and thank you guys so much. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck on the giveaway. Bye.